Trimble Tender Evaluation provides cloud-based, AI-aided decision support for carriers to objectively assess offered orders from shippers. Evaluating tenders can be a cumbersome and inexact process. Shippers give carriers a limited amount of time to consider a high volume of tender offers, meaning many offers time out before they can be evaluated. In addition, relying exclusively on personal experience and tribal knowledge to assess tenders can foster less than optimal decisions. Not every tender offered will be a great fit for your network or operation, and an ineffective evaluation process leads to lost opportunities for increased revenue, productive asset utilization, and happier drivers. Trimble Tender Evaluation efficiently measures available orders against real historical data and success metrics, empowering you to book the right freight at the right time. Information for offered orders, including origin, destination, estimated revenue, appointment timing, and relevant operating attributes, are entered into the tender details screen manually via a TMS integration or through an API request. Our algorithm parses these details and returns an easily digestible overall grade for the tender. This grade is a culmination of 4 key factors: financial, ability to execute, previous and next load, and order attributes, derived from your company's operating data. The evaluation screen provides a more granular dive into the metrics that contribute to each factor. Together, these data points create a clear vantage point to assess the overall quality and strategic value of the tender in relation to your operations. Carriers can rely on this improved visibility to make a quick, yet informed, choice to accept, modify, or reject an offered order. Trimble's Tender Evaluation solution combines data and domain expertise to support your decision-making and help you maximize the potential of your offers.